Let's learn how to use the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds II and troubleshoot common problems. Use the chapters below to skip to the relevant sections. What do the controls of the QuietComfort Earbuds II do? The controls in the left and right earbuds are generally the same, including swiping up and down to adjust the volume. Tap once if you want to play or pause, double tap to skip forward, and tap 3 times to skip back. Press and hold the earbuds so that way you can access a shortcut, and the default shortcut is generally toggling between quiet and aware modes. The other option is activating your digital assistant, and you can use the Bose app to add additional noise canceling modes at different variations between quiet and aware, as well as add the digital assistant shortcut in there. For phone calls, a tap will answer and a double tap will end a call. And to answer a second call and put the first one on hold, tap either earbud. You can decline a second incoming call by double tapping the earbud. The QuietComfort Earbuds II does not currently support multi-point connectivity, which allows the earbuds to maintain a connection between 2 devices simultaneously. It can connect to up to 7 devices, and you must manually switch back and forth within the Bose Music app. If the ear tips or stability bands don't fit, you can experiment with different sizes until you find a combination that provides a gentle and comfortable seal. Remember, some ears are slightly different in size and shape. My left ear is bigger than my right ear, so don't be afraid to mix and match. How to wear the QuietComfort Earbuds II to fit. You want to ensure that they rest within the opening of your ear canal. It would help if you didn't push it hard and try to squish it in your ear. And it shouldn't be able to fall out with a light shake of the head, and just a nice twist should do the trick. How to change your ear tips and bands. If you want to try another size because it doesn't feel secure, so for an ear tip, just squeeze and peel the ear tips to separate them, and then squish it back and have it snap securely into place. For the bands, just stretch and peel the stability bands off, and then gently stretch them back on, and you should see that there's a little circle. Have it align with the microphone hole of the earbud, and boom, it should lock into place. To power on the earbud, just open the case, and you should see the status light signify that they are powered. See, to power them off, just do the opposite. Place them back in the case and close the lid. Now, sometimes you might notice that they are still connected to your phone. That means that they're not actively connected to the case, whether there's some buildup or they're just loose. You just might need to press down on the earbud to ensure it's fully connected to the case, and it will turn off. There's a thing called in-ear detection, and it pauses your audio when you remove the earbud, and it resumes it after you put them back in. You can tap the earbud to continue the audio if you want to use this feature with a single earbud. You can answer phone calls by inserting your earbud into your ear, but to use either of these features, you have to use the Bose Music app. You can create a custom sound that will fall between the spectrum of noise canceling and full transparency based on your listening preferences or environment. So if you want a light active noise canceling mode while you're running, but you just have a little noise seep in so you can hear your environment, you can do so. You can also change noise canceling mode on a call by touching and holding your earbud. There will be a voice prompt to announce the battery level to check the earbud battery while using them when you remove them from the case. Or you can use the Bose Music app to see the level displayed there. Now, if you are using an earbud with another that has a lower battery level, the voice prompt will only announce the lower battery level. And if it's really low, you'll hear basically, hurry up and charge this. While charging the earbuds, when you place them within the case, status light will blink white and then goes according to the charging status. The charging status light goes accordingly to the battery level. So generally, the earbud will take 2 hours to charge and 3 hours for the case to charge fully. What do the lights of the QuietComfort Earbuds charging case mean? Well, again, there are 2 lights, one within the inside of the case and the other on the outside of the case. The inner shows the Bluetooth connection status between mobile devices, and the outer shows the charging case battery, any updates, and of course, error statuses. Here's a list of all of them. Now, if you want to connect to the Bluetooth menu of your device, go into your Bluetooth settings and press the back button on the case to trigger pairing with the earbud case open. Press and hold the button on the back on the case until the status light slowly blinks blue. You should see it pop up within your Bluetooth feature list. But if you want to disconnect on mobile, place the earbuds in the charging case, go to your Bluetooth settings and disconnect your device. To reconnect a mobile device, to clear the earbuds from any type of list, just press and hold the button on the back of the case for 15 seconds until the earbud light blinks white twice, then slowly blinks blue. It will delete the earbuds from your Bluetooth list on your device, and all of it should be cleared. Now for updates, just connect to the Bose Music app and it should automatically trigger. But to update the charging case, you have to use the website and your computer and just follow the on-screen instructions. If your earbuds don't connect with a mobile device, turn the Bluetooth feature on and off. Delete the earbuds from your Bluetooth list of your device. You could place both earbuds in the charging case until they magnetically snap into place and then reopen them. The earbud status light should blink white and then display the charging status, and then hopefully it works. Now, if you want to clear the earbuds by the device list, connect again, reboot the earbuds and charging case. So if the Bose Music apps can't find your earbud, uninstall the Bose Music app on your mobile device and reinstall again. If the ear tips aren't comfortable in your ear canal, aren't secure or fall off, try a different size. The stability band is uncomfortable at your ear ridge. Again, try a different size, but manually just trying whether a small with a medium or medium with a large should basically help you find the right fit for you. Now, what if the audio and video are out of sync? Restart the app, place both within the charging case and try again. If you're experiencing poor sound quality, check to see if there is any debris or wax buildup in the ear tips or ear nozzle, or try turning off any audio enhancement like your EQ within the music app. You can also try turning your Bluetooth on and off and deleting the earbud from the Bluetooth list and just try to see if that will re-engage it. If your earbuds are not responding to touch control, place both of them in a charging case to reboot them. Same thing if you can't adjust the volume. If the earbuds don't charge, this happened to me actually, they might be loose within the case, or there might be some debris like sweat or grime that might build up for either on the earbud pin or the charging case pin that's not allowing them to connect. So you might want to just try to clean that up or firmly press them down within the case just to get that connection, and they should start charging. What if you have exposed the case to too high or too low temperatures? Don't freak out. Let it return to room temperature before charging again. Now, what if you want to just nuke and just reboot everything? Make sure the earbuds are in the case and that the case is open for this to happen. Press and hold the button on the back as we have before, and hold for 25 seconds until the status light blinks white 2 times, then slowly blinks blue, and then shuts off. The reboot is done. So I hope you set up and learn more about your QuietComfort Earbuds 2 and fix any minor problems you have. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and have a great day.